Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluent Growth Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna.
Hi, everyone. It is so wonderful to be here with you today. I am very happy to see you.
I am happy to see you too, George. How are you today? It is a beautiful day in January.
I am very well, thank you. I am a little busy because it is the start of the year, but I am good. I have my tea and I am ready to talk.
That is great. I have my coffee here. I love the morning in January. It is fresh and new.
Yes, it is. But Anna, before we start our big chat today, we should talk to our friends at home.
Oh, yes, you are right. Hello to all our listeners. We are so happy you are here with us.
Yes, and if you like our podcast, please click the like button right now. It is a big help for us.
It really is. And please subscribe to Fluent Growth Channel. When you subscribe, you don't miss our new stories. And share this with your friends and your family. If they want to practice English, they can listen to our chat.
Thank you, everyone. Okay, George, today we don't have one specific topic. We're just talking about life.
I like that. Real English conversation. Just two friends talking about work, studies, and fun things.
Exactly. So tell me, George, how is work? You said you were busy.
Oh, Anna, work is interesting. It is the beginning of the year, so my boss, Mr. Henderson, wants many new things.
Oh no, not another big report with numbers.
Yes, how did you know? He wants a big plan for the whole year. Numbers, dates, names, it is a lot.
Wow, that sounds a little boring, George. I'm sorry.
It is okay, but something funny happened yesterday at the office.
Oh, tell me. I love funny stories.
Well, my desk is usually a little messy. I have many papers and pens.
Yes, I know you are a little disorganized sometimes.
It is true. Well, yesterday I decided to be very organized. It's January, so I want a clean desk.
That is a good goal, George. So what happened?
I bought a big new trash can, a very big one. I started throwing away old papers. Goodbye, old report. Goodbye, old notes. I was very happy.
Okay.
And then my colleague Tom came to my desk. He said, George, where is my lunch?
His lunch? Why did he ask you?
Because his lunch was in a brown paper bag, and I thought it was trash. I put Tom's sandwich in the big new trash can.
Oh no, George. Did you really throw away his sandwich?
Yes, I felt so bad. Tom looked at the trash can and then he looked at me. He was very hungry.
What did you do?
I said, I am so sorry, Tom. I'm trying to be organized. Then I had to buy him a new lunch. We went to the cafe downstairs.
Well, at least he got a fresh lunch. That is very funny. You were too excited about cleaning your desk.
I know. I need to be careful. What about you, Hannah? How are your studies? I know you are taking a new class.
Yes, I am studying photography. I want to take beautiful pictures of people and nature.
Wow, that is fantastic. Is the class difficult?
The class is fun, but the teacher is very serious. His name is Mr. Black. He never smiles.
Oh, a serious teacher. That can be hard.
Yes, and on Tuesday, I made a small mistake. We were in the park taking pictures of trees.
That sounds nice and quiet.
It was, but I saw a very beautiful bird on a fountain. I wanted a perfect picture. I walked slowly, looking at the bird through my camera.
And let me guess, you didn't look at your feet.
Exactly. I walked right into the fountain. Splash! I was standing in the water.
Oh my goodness, Anna. Were you wet?
I was very wet, and the bird flew away. Mr. Black, the serious teacher, just looked at me. He didn't say anything, but I think he wanted to laugh.
Oh, I am sure he did. Did you break your camera?
No, the camera is okay, thank goodness. But my shoes were full of water. I had to walk to my car. Squish, squish, squish.
Oh, squish, squish. That is a funny sound. At least you have a good story for the class now.
Yes, that's true. It's good to laugh at ourselves.
It really is. So, how is your family, Anna? I know your brother was visiting last week.
Oh, yes, my brother David, he is so funny. He stayed at my house for 3 days.
That is nice. Did you go to any restaurants?
Yes, we went to a big Italian restaurant on Friday night. David loves pasta.
Me too. Italian food is the best.
It is, but David has a new hobby. He's learning magic tricks.
Magic tricks, like making things disappear?
Yes, he wanted to show a trick to the waiter. He took a coin and said, "Look, now you see it, now you don't."
Did the coin disappear?
Well, he tried to throw the coin in the air, but it landed right in the waiter's soup.
No, in the soup?
Yes, the waiter was very surprised. He looked at the soup and then he looked at David. David just said, "Ta-da! The coin is in the soup."
David is very brave. Did the waiter laugh?
Yes, he was very nice. He gave David a new soup, but he told David, "Please, no more magic tricks in my restaurant."
That is a great story. Your family is very entertaining, Anna.
They are. What about your friends, George? Did you see Sarah and Tom this weekend?
Yes, we went to the cinema on Saturday. We wanted to see a funny movie, a comedy.
Oh, I love comedies. Was the movie good?
We don't know.
Why not?
Well, we went to the cinema and bought our tickets. We bought popcorn and big sodas. We sat down in the dark.
Okay.
The movie started. It was very quiet. It was about a man in a library for 20 minutes. Nothing happened. He just looked at books.
That doesn't sound like a comedy.
It wasn't. Tom looked at his ticket. We were in the wrong room. We were watching a very long documentary about history.
George, how did you go to the wrong room?
I don't know. I think we were talking too much and we didn't look at the number on the door. Sarah was very annoyed because she hates history.
So, did you go to the comedy?
No, the comedy was almost finished, so we just went to get ice cream instead.
Ice cream is always a good idea.
It is. It was a fun night, even without the movie. That's the important part. Spending time with friends is the best.
Yes, it is. You know, George, it is the start of the year and I want to see my friends more.
That is a great goal. I want to do that too. Life is so busy, but friends make everything better.
They do. And speaking of friends, I'm going to a wedding soon. Remember I told you about my friend Mark?
Oh, yes, Mark from your university.
Yes, he's getting married in February. It's going to be a big wedding.
Oh, that is wonderful. Is it a formal wedding?
Yes, it is very formal. I need to wear a suit and a tie.
Oh, George, you in a suit. You will look very handsome.
Thank you. But I have a problem. I don't have a suit that fits me.
Why not? Did you grow?
No, I think I ate too many cookies in December. My old suit is very tight. I can't breathe.
Oh, George, that is what happens at the end of the year. Too much good food.
It is true. So I went to a shop yesterday to buy a new suit. The salesman was very professional.
That's good. Did you find a nice color?
I found a dark blue suit. It was very elegant. I went into the small room to try it on.
The changing room.
Yes, I put on the trousers and the jacket. I looked in the mirror and I thought, wow, I look like a movie star.
Oh, very confident, George.
But then I tried to walk and I heard a sound. Rip.
Oh no, George. Did the trousers break?
Yes, right in the back. I was so embarrassed I had to call the salesman and whisper, "Excuse me, I have a problem."
Oh, George, that is terrible. What did he do?
He was very nice. He said, "Don't worry, sir. This happens many times in January." He gave me a bigger size.
At least he was understanding. Did you buy the bigger suit?
Yes, I did. Now I am ready for the wedding, but I am not eating any more cookies until February.
Good luck with that. I know you love cookies.
It will be hard, but I want to fit in my new suit.
I believe in you, George.
Thank you, Anna. What about you? Do you have any plans for the next few weeks?
Well, my friend Maria, the one who's getting married soon, she asked me to help her with the flowers.
Oh, that's nice. You are very good with colors.
I am, but Maria is very stressed. She wants everything to be perfect. Yesterday, we went to the florist.
Did you find beautiful flowers?
We did. We found some amazing white roses, but Maria saw a small spider on one of the roses.
Aspire.
Yes, Maria is very, very afraid of spiders. She screamed so loud, everyone in the shop jumped.
Poor Maria.
She started running around the shop and she hit a big vase of water. Water went everywhere. It was like my fountain story, but in a flower shop.
Oh no. Was the florist angry?
No, she was laughing. She said, "The spider is more afraid of you, Maria." But Maria stayed outside in the car after that. I had to finish the flower plan alone.
That is quite a day. Weddings are very happy, but they are also very busy and a little crazy.
They really are, but I am happy for her.
Me too. You know, Anna, we talked about so many things today: work, cleaning, magic tricks, fountains, and weddings. It was a very good chat. I feel very happy now. Talking to a friend is the best way to start the week.
I agree. I feel much better too. My mess at work doesn't feel so bad now.
Good, and I hope our listeners feel happy too.
I hope so. We had many funny stories today.
Yes, it is good to share these moments. Life is not perfect, but it is fun.
Exactly. Well, Anna, before we finish, we should remember the things we talked about.
Yes, we talked about my funny accident in the park with the fountain. Squish, squish.
Yes, and we talked about my desk. I tried to be organized, but I threw away my friend's lunch. I need to be more careful with the trash can.
And don't forget your new suit, George. No more cookies for you.
You're right, no cookies. And we talked about your brother, David, and his magic trick at the restaurant. The coin in the soup was very funny.
Yes, and we also talked about your cinema trip. It's important to check the door number before you sit down for a movie. Definitely no documentaries about history when you want a comedy.
And finally, we talked about Maria and the spider. Flowers are beautiful, but watch out for small friends.
Yes, that's a lot of great memories. I like our life, Anna. It is never boring.
It never is. And to all our listeners, thank you so much for being part of our conversation.
Yes, thank you. We love having you here with us on Fluent Growth Channel.
Please don't forget to leave a comment for us. We want to know, did something funny happen to you this week?
Yes, tell us your funny stories in English. It is a great way to practice. Or tell us about your goals for this month.
We love reading your comments. It makes us very happy.
And remember to subscribe and share this podcast with your friends.
Yes, help our channel grow so we can make more episodes for you.
That's right. Well, Anna, it is time to go.
I know, time flies when we talk.
It does. Have a wonderful week, Anna.
You too, George, and have a wonderful week, everyone. See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.